another JoAnn's haul. It's been a while since I've done one of those, so I'm gonna do one today since they had a one-day flash sale, and you better believe I took advantage of that. The first stuff that you can already see peeking out of the top of this are amongst my usual things that I have to keep in stock just 24/7, especially this time of year when we're getting to Pride season and everything, and I need, you know, the base colors, if nothing else, of the LGBT flag and everything like that. So, and then there was a couple others that they're variants, but I just like them and I'd like to make things with those colors, so there's a couple of those too, but most of them are just my basics. But then we got to fun stuff I don't think I have ever gotten to try before, so I'm really excited to have been able to stock up on so many of these, and for as cheaply as I did. So, let me just show you guys what I got today, because I'm really excited at how good of a deal I got on this stuff. So, just gonna start in the top here. So I got two of Kelly Green in Vanna's Choice. All the first things I'm showing you are all Vanna's Choice, so I'll just mention the names in case anybody cares about the colorways, in case you like it and want to buy some of your own to make stuff with. I got two in Terracotta, two in Scarlet, two in Mustard. These are a variant. These aren't what I usually use in it, but these are two in just regular purple, mostly because I want to make stuff with that. Same with this shade of blue. These are in Sapphire. I had plans for this. Then we're back to the regular Pride flag colors. Two in Eggplant and two in Colonial Blue. So that is my Vanna's Choice stuff. That's the normal stuff you've seen me haul like a million times before because I go through it like water. But now, a brand I have never even gotten to try before, because usually it's like $6.99 a ball normal price, and for how small they are, I feel like that's a ripoff. One day only, and in store only. I couldn't buy these online. I had to actually go to the store to get this deal. Premier Yarns Sweet Roll cakes. These were like $2.99 a piece. I could not pass that up, and for $2.99 a piece, that's actually a good amount of yarn right there. So that I can justify, and everything from this point on is from this line of yarn, and I am so freaking excited to finally be able to work with it, because like I said, $6.99 a pop, not gonna happen. $2.99? You better believe that's gonna happen. So, this one's colorway is called Peaches and Cream Pop, and it's this really pretty, like, bubblegum pink, white, and sort of salmon. So it's pretty. This one's one of my favorite ones out of the whole bunch. This one is called Guava Pop. Can we just appreciate how beautiful that is? That is going to look so badass. And also, once I've worked these all up, then I'll have a feel for which ones I like, which ones I'd like to get more of in the future if they're ever on sale again, or if I can just use a coupon on them and get multiple so I can make like a bigger project with them. But just individually, these are so pretty. But yeah, this one's Guava Pop. Also, there was a few colors they didn't have in stock there, and there was a few that are like online exclusive colors, so if I ever want to try those, I'll have to suck it up and just coupon it on those. Maybe use like a 40% off or 50% off one regular price item sort of deal. Then I could just buy it probably. But this one is Pansy Pop, and this one I'm actually I like how much it's very similar to the asexual pride flag. All it's missing is the black. So with just the gray, the white, and the purple, this is the demisexual flag. So I'm like, this one I can tell already just by the colors in it, I'll probably be getting more of in the future. I'm kind of kicking myself now for not getting more of it, but again, with all that I got today, I was like, do I really need to be buying multiples of a brand of yarn that I have not even tried yet? Let's hold off on that until I see how it all works. So there's that one. This one's really cool too. This one is Melon Pop, and it's sort of like honeydew green, a little like baby yellow and white. The light from the window is unfortunately like making it radiate a little too bright, but if I hold it at this angle, you can get kind of a feel for the colors in it. So that one is very nice. That one I feel like I could get more in at some point and make a baby blanket out of. This one is in Grape Swirl. And this one, it's so funny to me, the 3 shades of purple that are in this. Even though on camera, I feel like it's only picking up on 2 of them. But like, right here and right here, these are 2 different colors. In person, you can see them, but on camera, I feel like they're just showing up the same shade. Oh, at that angle, you can see. Okay. Okay, so now you can see all 3. The 3 shades that are in this, there's definitely a Red Heart Super Saver skein that is like this exact colorway. So I really hope when I end up using this that nobody thinks I cheaped out and used that when it's actually a much nicer yarn. This one may arguably be my very favorite. Surprise, surprise. This one is a Frosty Swirl, and we've got like a minty green, teal, and turquoise blend here. So it's like, oh, I love everything about this one. It's so pretty. So there's that. This one is called Gelato Pop, which, on what planet is this gelato? I don't know, especially as an Italian. I would argue that, but okay. Whatever, I didn't name it. But we've got like sort of creamy beige, periwinkle blue, and like a light purple. So that was kind of nice. And this one is called Black Pepper Swirl. All it's missing is some white, and this could be for like the Oakland Raiders, honestly. This one's really pretty. And this one is called Cloud Pop. It's like gray, white, and blue. So it's almost like a rainy day or like Grumpy Bear from the Care Bears in a skein of yarn. Oh, my 80s kid is showing. We have also got Birthday Cake Pop, which, with a name like that, how can you not love this? And the shade of purple in the middle is actually different than the shade towards the outside. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera or not. It's a little bit lighter in here than it is out here. But, yeah, that. So there's that. It's like 2 shades of lighter purple, mauve, and cream. Last one in this bag is Citrus Pop, which, fairly self-explanatory. It's like grapefruit, white, and pale yellow. The other bag. I told you we got one ago. I stocked up because I've never seen this go on sale ever. And who knows if we ever will again. This one's Blueberry Swirl, so, you know, I adore that. But again, with the whole thing with Red Heart, definitely has a colorway, like, identical to this. Let's see it side by side, shall we? Okay, let me rewrap that. Pretty sure that this scarf that I made, maybe not quite identical. Okay, from memory it was, but maybe not quite identical. But it's pretty close in the colors included in it. But this is already, this is a scarf. This is not a skein of yarn. I already made that. So that, if anybody likes it and would like that scarf, that is available right now on my Etsy. You can buy it today if you want. It's been there for like a year and nobody's bought it. So seriously, if you like it, please buy it because I would like it to go to a good home. But yeah, so that's this one. It's multiple shades of blue. There's at least 3 that I see. There may even be 4. No, it's 3. Okay. 3 shades of blue. And this one, I dig these colors together so freaking much. If I had like a little baby girl, I would want her nursery done in these colors, honestly. It's white, gray, and like bubblegum pink. And this is predictably called Bubble Pop. Who would have thunk it? It took every amount of willpower to not buy multiples of this one because I love this one so freaking much. Also, matchy with my shirt. So, there's that. This one I like a lot too. I feel like it's got a total like Moroccan vibe, kinda sorta. And this one is called Jello Pop. So it's got like a sort of blue, like a dusky blue, magenta, and what would you call that? It's sort of like variegated in the orangey tones here. It even has little like hints of green there, but kind of, I know what I want to compare it to, but that's just like the name of a specific color in one brand, because I want to call it paprika, but that's just in one brand that calls that color that, and I'm like, no one else is gonna know what the hell I'm talking about by calling it paprika, because the actual spice I don't think is that color, but that's what my brain's going to, so whatever. This one I think is really cool too. It makes me think of like pets, like animals. I could see like cats being these colors. Maybe not all together in one cat. Actually, no, my cousin's cat is these three colors. Maybe that's why I'm thinking of pets. But this one is called Cappuccino Pop, which, yeah, at least two of them are very much coffee-ish colors. Don't know about the gray, but the other two are very coffee-ish. But they look good together, so. And this one, I think, is gonna look so rad. This is, Cherry Swirl. We've got sort of like magenta-y reds, maroons, crimsons. It's just really pretty. I like it. Oh, balance. This one I like a lot too. This one is called Cheesecake Pop. I'm kind of feeling it. Okay. Like maybe like a strawberry cheesecake, kind of sort of these colors, a little bit. I could see that. But sort of like coral cream and tan. Fair enough. Good name. This one I love this. This one is Spearmint Pop, and you can see the different tones in it. I'm tilting it down again so that the light from the window doesn't wash it out, like when I hold it up like that. So we've got, it's not quite white. There's a very, very slight hint of green to that white there. There's also, I don't know, is this seafoam green? Kind of, sort of. And a light blue. I like it. I could believe spearmint. And this one is Lemon Berry Pop, which, yes, this name is very apropos for these colors here. That pretty much exactly sums it up. I feel like this must have been one of their earlier names where the names were just fitting perfectly, and then some of the iffier ones were probably later on down the road, but this one is spot freaking on. We're almost done, guys. There's like 4 more. And this one, again, makes me think of a cat. This one is Super Swirl. It's like 2 shades of gray and like a very, very, very slightly gray tinted white. It looks like the grays are kind of blending into each other on camera. No, you can see there's 2 different ones. Okay, so there's that. And this one's really pretty too. This one's a Raspberry Swirl. This would be like fun to do a shawl out of in this one. And then I adore this one as well. This one is in Punch Pop, which I don't think I've ever seen punch that's colored like this. Could be trippy. I mean, I think maybe this color, but the other 2, no. But it's very beautiful regardless, and I love these colors, and it'll be very pretty. And then the last one, which is another of my favorites. Frick, all of them are my favorites. Who are we kidding here? This one, which is like blue, green, and white, like chartreuse green specifically, which I adore, is called Kiwi Pop, which, fair enough, kind of like with cartoon kiwis, they kind of illustrate them this color. In real life, they're not that vibrant, but like cartoon kiwis, fair enough. Fair enough. I could buy that. Not quite sure why you put blue in with kiwi, but hell, why not? I mean, I have a cat named Kiwi, and his eyes were about that color of blue, so why not? But yeah, so like I said, went a bit overboard. They had more colors there than the website was claiming they had in stock, so I just freaking grabbed one of everything they had. There are still a few colors that I don't have that they make that eventually I'll get to them, but right now I think I'm good. I think I'm good for a while. So these will be very fun to try out because I've never had this brand of yarn before. I've wanted to try it for ages, but I didn't want to buy it at its other price point. But at this price point, even as an only one-day sale, it gives me hope that maybe eventually they'll put it on sale again and can get more of it then. But for right now, I'm good with these. I will definitely be making lots of things for my shop out of these, which is good because a lot of my like staple yarns that I use for so many things have all of a sudden just been inexplicably discontinued, and I'm like, now what? So this, even though not for my usual items, it'll be good to have just like random one-off, one-of-a-kind ones that I throw in there that I don't just redo a million times over and over and over, made to order. They'll just be as is, ready to go. Buy it. You are the only one who will have this specific thing that I made because there's only one of it. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing what I got. I'm very, very excited. I'm just like looking around at all the pretty colors. I'm like, ah, it's so beautiful. Makes me happy to look at. But yeah, anyways, if you did, give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be... Wait, did I mix that up? Let's try that again. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What is your favorite colorway out of any of the things I got? It could even be of like the Vanna's Choice things. Anything at all, let me know, as well as anything else you feel like leaving me. Just leave it down below. Make sure you follow my social media accounts. They're all listed down below in the description. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is also down below in the description. So anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.